Want to lose weight? It's a common goal, but it doesn't have to be a struggle. 1 kilogram per week is a healthy goal. Setting realistic targets helps you stay motivated and on track. You can do it without giving up your favorite foods. Yes, you heard that right. Enjoying what you eat is key. It's about making smart choices, not starving yourself. Balance is the secret ingredient to success. Many diets tell you to stop eating the things you love. This can make the journey feel like a punishment. This makes you feel unhappy. When you're unhappy, it's harder to stick to your plan. It can also be bad for your health. Depriving yourself can lead to fatigue and other health issues. You can enjoy food and lose weight. Sharing meals with loved ones can make the process enjoyable. This essay will show you how. We'll explore tips and strategies to help you succeed. Get ready to feel good and reach your goals. Embrace the journey and celebrate every milestone along the way. Restrictive diets are not the answer. They often leave you feeling deprived and unsatisfied. They often lack important nutrients that your body needs to function properly. This can make you feel tired and weak, affecting your daily activities and overall well-being. When you don't get enough nutrients, your body craves more food, leading to constant hunger and cravings. This can lead to overeating and weight gain as you try to satisfy your body's nutritional needs with unhealthy options. Instead of cutting out food groups, focus on balance. Enjoy a variety of foods that provide different nutrients. Eat a variety of foods in moderation, ensuring you get a mix of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Choose nutrient-rich options most of the time, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. This will keep you feeling full and satisfied, helping you maintain a healthy weight and enjoy your meals without guilt. Losing weight doesn't have to be complicated. Here are some simple tips. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Start your day with a healthy breakfast. Choose lean protein sources like chicken and fish. Fill half your plate with vegetables at every meal. Snack on fruits and nuts instead of processed foods. These small changes can make a big difference over time. Remember, consistency is key. Section 4. Enjoy food, enjoy life. You don't have to give up your favorite foods to lose weight. It's all about moderation. Allow yourself a small treat once in a while. This will help you stay on track without feeling deprived. Focus on the bigger picture. Enjoying food is part of a healthy lifestyle. Don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen. Try healthier versions of your favorite recipes. Section 5. Listen to your body, see the change. Your body is smart. It communicates with you in subtle ways, sending signals that guide you towards what it needs. It will tell you what it needs if you pay attention. Listen to those signals, whether it's a growling stomach or a feeling of fullness. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full. Savor each bite and enjoy the flavors and textures of your food. Don't force yourself to eat if you're not feeling it. It's okay to leave food on your plate if you're satisfied. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel. Notice which foods give you energy and which ones make you feel sluggish. Choose foods that give you energy and make you feel good. Opt for fresh, whole foods that nourish your body and mind. Be patient and trust the process. Changes won't happen overnight, but with consistency, you'll see progress. You will start to see and feel the changes in your body. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small,